In this video, we'll guide you on how to change the app name. So navigate to the project libcore app_instance.dart file. Change the app name field to your desired app name. This updates the name of the app displayed within the app. Update the company name by your desired name to update the company name displayed in the app. You have successfully changed the names displayed in the app. To change Android app name, go to Project, Android App SRC, Main folder, then open Android manifest.xml file. Locate the Android label property and replace the Jhoom label with your new app name. You have successfully changed Android app name. Now, we will move forward to update the iOS app name. Navigate to Project, iOS and right-click on the iOS folder, and then select Open in Xcode. In Xcode, click on Runner in the Project Navigator. Under the General tab, find the Display Name field and enter your desired app name and press Enter to save it. Now you have successfully updated the app name for both iOS and Android apps. Thanks for watching.